A few weeks ago, I took a trip to go to Utah to go drifting. I hopped on a plane from Myrtle Beach to Atlanta, then Atlanta to Salt Lake City. Then straight from the airport, I went and picked up a rental IS300 drift car for my buddy Brandon Wicknick. Then I spent the weekend at Utah Motorsports Campus with Salt City Drift for their 2-day Bonneville Bash drift event. While there, I got the opportunity to check out this sweet SR20 powered AE86 driven by Tomasz Olech, however you pronounce his name. I found a Corolla, so of course I'm gonna go for a ride in it. That was a lot of fun. So that has an SR20 with like 280 horsepower, which is about what my car is going to have whenever I get the supercharger done. So that was pretty cool to see what it feels like, and that feels real nice.